Hello everyone, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tomato chutney with the simple ingredients available at home. So come on. So I'm going to pour mustard oil. Mustard oil will give nice taste. So one tip is whenever you use mustard oil, how will you come to know that the oil is very hot? Once uh, what we say, like mustard oil gives a pungent smell when it gets hot. Okay, and once it is cooked with the item or with the food, you will not realize that it's a mustard oil used. But yes, of course, in the starting when we heat the mustard oil, there will be a pungent smell which many of them doesn't like. But in north and all, many people use mustard oil because it have its own benefits. Now here I have taken 3 big tomatoes. I cut them into 4, but you can cut them into half also. But they were very big, so I thought it will be easy to cook. So now these tomatoes I am going to put it into this oil. So here I put all the tomatoes. Now we have to cook them every side. So this chutney, what I was explaining, it's getting viral. So I thought I'll share with you. And it's very easy chutney when you don't have anything at home and you want to eat something with chapati. You don't have much materials for the making a wonderful curry or anything. This chutney will go very well. Once you have it, you will not go for any other chutney. Now gradually we can turn them. You can see to the other side. And as I told you, if you really don't like mustard oil, you can try with some other oil, sunflower oil also. No issues. But with mustard oil, it gives very good taste. Now give a nice toss. You can see it is almost being cooked from all sides. Now at this stage we will switch off the flame and let it cool. Now into the same pan I have put 6 cloves of garlic. They are cut into half, and green chilies. So green chilies and garlic you can use according to your taste, because some people like garlic very much. You have to cook these both until they become very soft. And you can add some oil also. So now I am going to add a small size onion. These all things no need to cook, just we will chop it in a chopper. And we will use this for garnishing. Now coriander leaves, a green chili. If you don't like spicy, you can avoid this green chili at this stage. Now we'll just chop it. Now see, I finely chopped. This will use for garnishing. Now the tomato is cooked very well, so we'll just remove the peels. See, all the peels are removed. Now we will add garlic, chili, the roasted one which we roasted earlier, and we will mash all 3 together. Now with this masher we will grind it nicely. If you don't have this masher, you can use fork also, or spoon, or with your hands also you can mash it. See, now I mashed very well. Now on top of it we will put this chopped onion and coriander, green chili. Now at this moment you will be thinking, Divya, are you forgetting something? Because we have not seen salt, we have not seen any chili powder. So let me tell you viewers, salt, turmeric powder and chili powder should be added at the last. So now all our work is done. So now the main ingredient, salt, we will add as per your taste. Then chili powder, then little turmeric, and now you have to mix all of them. Now I mixed everything, but 2 more ingredients. One is little asafoetida and lemon. If you squeeze lemon, it will reach to another level. So now the last mixing. After that our chutney is ready. So friends, our easy chutney, tomato chutney is ready. Hope you liked it. Do try and let me know in the comment section. Okay, bye.